Hello everybody. Now today we are going to start the first lesson of biology, that is the life processes. And in these life processes we have to study four different topics. First is nutrition, in which we have to study about photosynthesis as well as digestive system in human beings. Second topic is respiration, in which we study the respiratory system, then transportation, and the last topic is excretion. So today we begin with the first topic, that is the nutrition. Now, nutrition. What do you mean by nutrition? What is nutrition? Nutrition means the food or the material which organism consume and utilize to gain energy. That is called as nutrition. Nutrition is of two types. There are two modes of nutrition, and those two modes, one is autotrophic nutrition, autotrophic mode of nutrition, and another is heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Now, you know autotrophic mode of nutrition. In autotrophic mode of nutrition, autotrophic, auto means self. The organism when prepare food by themselves, those organism comes under autotrophic mode of nutrition. Heterotrophic mode of nutrition, here organism depends on other organism for their food. That comes under, or those organism comes under heterotrophic mode of nutrition. So in autotrophic mode of nutrition, we take all the plants. All plants comes under autotrophic mode of nutrition. Here, in autotrophic mode of nutrition, organism utilize external, or you can say organism utilize inorganic material, inorganic raw material to synthesize their food. And in case of heterotrophic, all animals comes under heterotrophs. They depend on other living organism for their food. So here all organism or all animal depends on other organic sources. They depend on other organic material. As we discussed earlier in the earlier class, we study about inorganic and organic material. Inorganic material means all the material or chemical which we derive from non-living thing like water, carbon dioxide, various gases, minerals. These comes under inorganic. Organic material, the material which we derive from living world, that is from plants and animals. For example, fats, proteins, amino acid, carbohydrates, that comes under organic material. So here first topic is autotrophic nutrition. First we discuss about autotrophic nutrition, that is the process how plant synthesize their food material by themselves. The commonmost process, as we know, that is the process performed by plant to synthesize food material. That process is called as photosynthesis. So first we discuss about the process of photosynthesis, how plant perform photosynthesis and receive or gain their food material or prepare their food material. So come to the topic photosynthesis. What do you mean by photosynthesis? What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process in which plant prepare their food material or plant synthesize their food by using inorganic raw material like carbon dioxide, water in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. That process is called as process of photosynthesis. Now, how this photosynthesis takes place? Here we can say process of photosynthesis means synthesis of food by plants using inorganic material. Inorganic material like carbon dioxide and water in presence of sunlight, that is very important term, and pigment chlorophyll. This is called as photosynthesis. So how these two things help for preparation of food material or synthesis of food? Here this is the formula for photosynthesis. 6 CO2 plus 6 H2O in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, it gives C6H12O6 plus 6O2. This is the molecular oxygen. This material is called as glucose. This is the formula of glucose. Commonly we used to call carbohydrate. Carbohydrate. And this O2 is molecular oxygen. It is called as molecular oxygen. This is carbon dioxide. Here it is water. So this is the process where equal amount of carbon dioxide and water mix in presence of sunlight and pigment chlorophyll, and it release or produce carbohydrate, that is the glucose food material, and release molecular oxygen. This food material or carbohydrate. Now how this carbohydrate, this is the chemical equation, what are the steps, how this process takes place, that is the major part what we have to study in the photosynthesis, that we have to study the steps of photosynthesis. In steps of photosynthesis only we come to know what actual happens in between all these 3 or 4 things. These are the factors, essential factors we can say for photosynthesis. One essential factor is presence of carbon dioxide, then presence of water, presence of sunlight and pigment chlorophyll. These are the essential factors. Now here we see the steps of photosynthesis. What are the various steps of photosynthesis so that we get or this product, that is the carbohydrate. So what are the steps of photosynthesis? In steps of photosynthesis there are 3 steps of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. First question, where this process takes place? Photosynthesis takes place in leafy region or green part of the plant. Wherever we find out green pigments are present in the plant, in those areas the process is carried out. Where exactly, in which type of cell, which type of material, that even we have to discuss. But first we see the steps of photosynthesis. Now the first step of photosynthesis is absorption of light. Absorption of light energy. Now light energy, here it refers to sunlight. Second step, here with after absorption of light energy, this second step, light energy converts into chemical energy. Light energy converts to chemical energy, and simultaneously, second process here, 2 things takes place simultaneously. One is light energy converts into chemical energy, and another step, that is the splitting of water. Splitting of water. This is the another step which is carried out in process of photosynthesis. Now the third step is reduction of carbon dioxide into carbohydrate. reduction of carbon dioxide into carbohydrate. This is the third step. First is absorption of light energy. Then light energy converts into chemical energy with splitting of water. Then reduction of CO2 into carbohydrates. These are the three steps of photosynthesis. Now, with these three steps, now where these steps takes place and how the process carried out, all these details we will see in the next class.